So currently here at the New Balance store, and we got a lot of Kawais right here. This one's even at 30% with some wild colorways. There you go, there you go. Some athleisure wear over here. So this is the XC72. You have a really nice suede right here in the panels, and of course that split black tongue over here. We even have a really sleek black colorway with the cream tongue as well. Check that out, check that out. Really digging these. We even got a red colorway and a teal olive colorway over here. And of course you get a really nice cloud gray colorway on these 574s. These navy ones really look dope though. Navy and gum bottom, I mean, you can't go wrong with that. Ooh, this one looks nice. This is a Gore-Tex version of the 5740. The New Balance Free 27. This is a really nice model in my opinion. I've been seeing these a lot lately, and that wheat color, I mean, come on, brown boys all day, every day. Beautiful, beautiful pair. Really nice suede too. Sheesh. Ooh, this has a really nice leather to it too. Sleek model. You got that end cap midsole as well. This is a New Balance 991 in an olive, maroon, and tan colorway. This one is actually really beautiful. This looks like a collab pair. Yo, can't believe they still have it. And it's finally here. The Teddy Santis 990 V2. It's definitely a lot more beautiful in person. Look at that beautiful gray suede over here. Olive mesh. I'd say cream laces and that wavy midsole. Cop? Sir, last size, no? Last size. And of course, we do have the ever classic 990 V5 in that beautiful gray colorway. Shout out to Seth and Jella who actually had these. Here at Glorietta 4, you can actually get the 990 V5 in sizes 7 to size 9. And of course, a 990 V2 in a great colorway. This one, sir, ano yung special dito, sir?
I think sir, 48th anniversary.
The 48th anniversary classic 990 V2. You actually have a red tab here that says version 2. You can never go wrong with the Made In series. Yun nag-subscribe agad si ma'am kasi bumili ako sa store. Yun yung automatic.
Sa sneaker,
Thank you. Nice to finally meet you. Madam, thank you so much. Again, check them out. Glorietta 4. New Balance.
What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel where we talk about sneakers, streetwear, music, and everything in between. I'm your host, Icarus. Welcome back to the show. I appreciate you guys stopping by, so don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more content in the near future. With that out of the way, let's get to it, man. Now, for this video, it's been a while since I actually reviewed a sneaker, and this is perfect because I actually got this shoe a few weeks ago when I happened upon Glorietta 4, and thankfully, they have one in my size. Disclaimer, this is actually my first ever New Balance pair. Wait. Yo, I know. Now, we've heard all this hype brewing up from New Balance for a minute now, and I really wanted to check one out. And New Balance for me feels like that shoe brand for the shoe connoisseur, you know, like if you're looking at materials, the functionality of the shoe, New Balance is the brand. Even in their general release sneakers, you can really feel the distinction of the materials, especially in their made-in line. Now, for those who don't know, Teddy Santis, the founder of Aimé Leon Dore, is the new creative director of the made-in line of New Balance since last year. And he did have a hand in a lot of their collection, from the 550s, 650s, and some 990 models as well. This shoe that I have with me right now is actually from his debut pack, which released around April 28th this year, that came alongside a 990 V1 and a V3. And it came in this cream New Balance box with red branding, and as the size tag would read, M990 TD to size 12. And as you pop the box open, you get the tissue, and of course you get this New Balance card right here with a lot of the 990 models throughout the years, and then you get the sneakers. And here we go. Folks, this is the Teddy Santis 990 V2 in the Marblehead and Incense colorway. Now I'm gonna take you guys through this shoe just to see what makes it pop. Start things off, we got this all over hairy gray suede from the tip of the toe all the way to the medial and lateral side, right through the eyelets. You got that all over olive colorway on the mesh right here in the toe box, some of its panel as well as half of its tongue right here. You can even see it peeping through right here in the medial and lateral sides, as well as in the ankle collar of the sneaker. And of course, you can't forget the 3M or metallic accents all over the sneaker, from the small metallic accent connecting the eyelets right here at the tip of the tongue, the New Balance N logos right here in the medial and lateral sides, as well as right here at the back heel with USA stitched in black. You got a dark gray suede right here as well for a few panels in the toe box. Now the tongue does come in that dark gray short-haired suede with 990 and New Balance made in USA stitched in white. You even have this really nice short-haired suede in that cream or light mocha color right here at the back heel of the sneaker. Now as for the midsole and outsole, you have this really nice absorbed midsole right here in that sail colorway. You got this dark gray heel clip right here, as well as absorbed right here in the forefoot of the midsole. A mix of black and olive right here in the outsole with New Balance branding in the middle and in the heel. Now as for the laces, they do come in default flat white laces, but I switched it out for the sail laces instead to really match that sail midsole right here. Now for the guts of the shoe, you do have a really nice white inner liner with a cream Durapontex New Balance insole with New Balance branding printed in black. Now as for sizing and fit, now this pair is actually my first ever New Balance model, so I have no prior experience on like the sizing of New Balance models per se, but when I got these on my true to size, which is a size 12, back in my Glorietta 4 vlog. I've got no choice but to actually fit them, and it fit me great. But it did feel a little roomy in the toe, and I gotta say they do fit a little wide because this toe box right here is a little flimsy in my opinion, but in a good way since it is really structured but really soft. Okay, it's structured but really soft, so it kind of feels flimsy at first, like at first wear. So this is my verdict. If you're a normal size footer like me, you can actually go down a half size for that snug one-to-one fit. But if you do like that roomy fit, you can wiggle around your toes, you really like that athleisure vibes, or you really have that wide feet, sticking true to size may be the best move for you. Now, as for the comfort standpoint, I was slightly disappointed at first because as soon as I stepped my foot in, I had this expectation that it's gonna be like blow your mind comfort, like Boost. But it's not like that. It really did feel like a standard low to the ground shoe. But when I wore these all week, they did feel a lot more comfortable compared to my usual Jordans, since Jordans are typically a lot more heavy set and these are really light on feet. And when you do feel that foot fatigue, you don't feel it as much on these shoes because they're really light. But as a casual everyday shoe, this is a really nice go-to. And I was actually skeptical at getting it at first because at initial photos I thought it was just like a really gray shoe again by New Balance, but when I got it on person and I saw the mesh was actually olive and there's like layers to the grays and the creams and the earth tones with it, man, this really won me over. Like from the material to the comfort and the overall design of it, man, Teddy Santis really knocked this out of the park. And I really like the shape overall. It actually reminds me of the Wave Runner, but in a more subtle fashion. This is basically the example of falling in love with a sneaker you'd never expect, man. Well, that's enough about me, man. How about you guys? Leave a comment down below and let me know what are some of your thoughts on the Teddy Santis 990 V2, or what are some of your favorite 990 series right down below in the comments. Leave a comment down below and let me know. Always appreciate you guys stopping by. For more sneaker, streetwear, and music related content right here on the channel, I am Icarus, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.